Hi guys, don't know if you've seen this machine before. I don't believe I've showed it before. Purchased it about 2 years ago. I've used it for a couple of jobs and it's just been in storage due to lack of space. So it's a Kerry AG, it's an 11-inch swing lathe. It's Imperial and 3-phase. I've used it for some screw cutting jobs and that's it. Lack of space, needing to work on this lathe, spend some money on it. I need to get rid of one, so this one's got to go. It's a shame because it's really well appropriated. It's got a lot of stuff with it, so I'll just take you through it quickly. It's 1.5 horsepower, 3-phase, has a clutch and a brake, forwards, reverse. Spindle speeds from 39 to 1500. Tumbler reverse for the lead screw, feed screw. It'll cut from 2.5 inch TPI, 2.5 TPI per inch, up to 288, 0.1 of a millimetre pitch, up to 9 millimetres pitch. So it'll do a very, very wide range of threads. LOO spindle, same as Harrison's. It's got a 3-jaw and a 4-jaw. The 3-jaw's got a matching numbered set of teeth, outside jaws, teeth. Over the Harrison, it's got some really nice features. The cross-slide screw, it has bearings at the back, so there is absolutely no slop, no play. It's very, very rigid. The cross-slide's wider than a Harrison. It's got T-slots at the back for mounting a rear tool post or other accessories. It's got a gap bed, this one, only a small gap. The ways are much wider than a Harrison and it's very, very well ribbed, so it's very strong. It's got a nice work light with it, coolant, very, very nice, fixed steady. That's really nice one. Bronze tipped, yeah, really, really stout. The tailstock on this is very stout as well. It's probably double the weight of the Harrison one. Harrison barrel's probably 1.5 inches. This is 2 inches. Unusual on lathes, this is out to the side, the hand wheel, and you knock your Morse tapers out with that wooden dowel. Apart from that, it's like any other lathe, longitudinal feed, facing, half nuts for threading, thread dial indicator. Obviously it's got a lead screw and a feed screw. You disengage the lead screw when you're not using it by dropping that out. Take you through some of the other accessories. Obviously it's got the 3-jaw, the steady, the live centre. There's the 127 tooth gear for cutting metric with some other change gears. It's got a shop-made ball turner with it. The very important headstock bush, 4.5 to 3 Morse taper. The matched set of jaws for the 3-jaw. Really nice 4-jaw chuck there. It has a spare cross-slide screw and a spare screw for the compound. A spare gib for the compound, sorry. Nice little bed protector that someone's made. 2 new belts. And obviously the spanner for the LOO spindle. The coolant pump has just been rebuilt today because that was seized up through not being used. Obviously the backsplash is a shop-made one as well, I believe. Start the machine up. It's very quiet due to the flat belt. We're in 1500 RPM here, I believe. It's got a brake, clutch, forwards and reverse. Really nice little machine. Very clean. Probably wants a lick of paint and that'd be a lovely lathe for someone.